Welcome to episode number 40. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Before we get to the results of the house tournament, I was going to do a quick magic trick for you. I'm back. In third place was House Morris. In second place was House Watchman, and the champion of the virtual house tournament for this month was House Valdez. Congratulations, House Valdez. So there were quite a few staff and family members who also submitted videos for the house tournament. Today we're going to check out a few of those entries.
Special guest with Mr. Z. Oh?
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this yard dart into this basketball hoop from way far away. Check this out. That's it. Let's go!
Hey, hon, you should do a handstand.
Wait, now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay, what are these books doing here? Ugh.
The floor is lava!
Yeah.
Hey, you should play me a song.
Now?
Yes! Yay, beautiful.
That was great. Next week I'm going to show you a lot of the clips of the students participating in the house tournament.
This day in history with Mr. Randall.
On May 15th, 1869, Susan B. Anthony founded the National Women's Suffrage Association in New York. This group fought for women's rights and would eventually help win women the right to vote in the United States. Neat!
I've got some more animal jokes for dad jokes today. What do you call a dozen rabbits in a row walking backwards? A receding hairline. Oh boy. I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon. I'll let you know. And why couldn't the leopard play hide and seek? Because he was always spotted. There you go. Yesterday's riddle was, from the beginning of eternity to the end of time and space, to the beginning of every end and to the end of every place, what am I? The answer is the letter E. And for today's riddle, pay close attention. You are a bus driver. 5 people get on, 2 people get off, 2 more people get on, and another person gets off. Finally, 3 more people get on, 2 get off again. How old is the bus driver? And it just wouldn't feel right to end the week without knowing what Mr. Quiggle is up to.
It's quarantine with Quiggle.
Today Today's advice is from senior Michaela Williams.
Hope seniors, they're all really nice. Hope seniors, gonna give you advice. Hope seniors, what they say should suffice. Hope seniors, seniors.
Hi, it's me, Michaela Williams, here to give you some life advice. I would just say that yes, school is hard, it's difficult, and there's drama with friends, and homework doesn't make any sense, and we're all dealing with our own personal things at home and in our heads, and it's just, sometimes the path in front of you doesn't make any sense at all, and it's just confusing and scary, and it's just important to remember why you're on that path. Sometimes you might think it's for you might think it's for your friends, you might think it's for this like special future that you have in your mind, but it's really important to remember that the path that you're on is for God and God alone. It's a lot harder to give up on things when you remember that you're not in control of your life anyways. Your life isn't yours, your life is God's. So I think as long as you remember that everything that you're doing is in pursuit of God and you're trying to serve God to the best of your abilities, then I don't know, dude. I think you got this. I think if you just remember that you're loved by the Father and you're loved by your friends and your family and so many people at Hope Academy, you're gonna get through school even if it's a little bit stinky sometimes.
Thanks, Michaela. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.